In this review, we're going to look at the Hasegawa Toyota 2000 GT, 1967 winner of the Suzuka race. All the parts found in the box seemed to be crisply molded, and the body was especially nice. Some good-looking decals were included, nice clear glass, and a really detailed instruction sheet. Now bear in mind this is a curbside kit, so there really aren't going to be a lot of parts, but we can detail it up nicely. As I said, the body seems crisply molded, but there are a few seam lines that need to be taken care of, and some flashing around the window openings. Here I'm scribing the lines a little deeper around the door frames. I won't go into a lot of detail about the paint, but I painted the body white using a spray can, and it turned out pretty nice. The chassis is nicely molded, and there's some good texture on the bottom. Painted the engine block with a steel gray metallic. The brakes are a little shiny, so I wanted to take that shine off and use a little TS80. I think it's effective. We start work on the rear suspension first. Here I've sprayed a little TS30 silver leaf onto a piece of cardstock, and I run my finger over the overspray, and then that puts enough silver on the end of my finger that I can add some nice texturing and bring out some of the details of the previously black painted parts. As you can see, this adds a little bit of more dimension to the rear suspension. Front suspension is simple and is made up of just a few parts, but take your time here because some of the parts are fairly fragile. The front wheels do steer. The underside of the chassis finish looks really pretty good, and I've further detailed the chassis pan and the muffler with some silver leaf. The muffler was painted with burnt iron from testers. Flipping the chassis over, it's a fairly simple affair, but Hasegawa wants you to build your own roll bar and supplies you with the 2 different diameter plastic rods. The thicker of the rods makes up the main roll bar. There are full-size instructions included, so it's easy to get this right. The dash is simple yet effective. model's finished and it really turned out nice. Such a sleek, fast-looking car. I wish they'd bring out a modern version of this. There's a hint, Toyota. It reminds me a lot of the Datsun Z car I used to own when I was younger. Thanks for a great kit, Hasegawa. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you like what you see, and be sure to check the like. And have a great day.